is my first time.
This is, I think, my first time for the massages.
Very effective massage chair.
I haven't been in any of the massage chairs. This is a nice experience to me.
Yeah, very much. Too much.
Yeah, yes, I do.
I mean, at times, yeah, I get stressed out.
BB number, that is 135 by 66, first sitting. After massage, he said it is 133 by 57.
I'm not sure about that.
160 by 100.
130 by 70.
I never check my blood pressure. Hypertension.
If I think it that what will happen, then the tension will come.
ज़्यादा टेंशन लेने से hypertension.
Hypertension is elevated blood pressure.
Not sure.
बहुत टेंशन लेता हूँ.
I watch a lot of movies.
Only family related movies, not fighting movies.
म्यूजिक सुनते ही मेरा टेंशन सब दूर हो जाते हैं.
And avoid the wrong people. That's also important.
This is the place where exactly we will get the information about our health and all these things.
It's very good that you're doing this. I'm very happy to see you doing this.
It is very good initiative by Columbia Asia. I got to know what is the importance of hypertension.
Happiest person.